What's up, everyone? We're back at Camp Nou, and the stadium is buzzing with activity. Guys, trust me, today we're showing you some amazing things happening inside Camp Nou. And now, with the third tier fully completed, the stadium is starting to look absolutely stunning. The south goal slabs are taking shape, black panels are going up, and llamas are now being installed in the north goal. Even the diamond section is alive again with cranes and workers. Every corner is moving fast. Let's check out all the latest progress. A large compression ring segment secured with crane chains, ready to be lifted soon. Everything suggests that installation could happen very soon, so we'll keep an eye on this piece throughout the video. Up on the higher levels, there's strong activity. Workers, materials, and lifting platforms are spread across the structure, especially around the cantilever sections. Some areas are quieter today, particularly the second level, but overall progress continues. Scaffolding and supports have expanded recently, preparing for slab and panel installations. The south goal continues to show strong progress. Prefabricated seating sections are now covering a large part of the area, moving close to completion. Scaffolding has been followed by slab panel installation, now covering most sections. Only a few central gaps remain as this area moves toward completion of the third tier. Interior work is progressing with ongoing structural and finishing tasks across the stadium. Outside, the facade shows clear progress. Several sections already have llamas installed, while others are being prepared with anchors. Once anchors are ready, llama installation will expand quickly. There is a large amount of material on site for the compression ring. Multiple pillars, radial beams, and 4 ring segments are now ready for installation. With everything prepared and positioned, more lifts are expected soon as the ring structure continues to take shape. From ground level, we can clearly see strong progress in the south goal. Compared to yesterday, many more slab panels have now been installed. Both sides are largely covered, with only a few gaps remaining in the center. After completing the scaffolding earlier, workers have moved quickly into placing these panels, bringing this section closer to completion. From this angle, the compression ring is extending across this section and reaching toward the radial beam. Only one main segment remains to connect this area, which will link the structure between beams. With workers active around this zone, steady progress continues on the ring. A new update here is the installation of black panels between the structural beams. These panels are now covering this section, marking the first visible area where they've been added. This is an important step, as more of these panels are expected to appear across the stadium in the coming days, with supporting beams already prepared in many sections. Here in the north goal, we have one of the most important updates, as llama installation has now fully started after days of preparation with guides and anchors. The progress is impressive. Where there were none yesterday, today multiple llamas are already installed, with lifting platforms active on both sides. At the same time, in the corner, the first sandwich panel has been installed on the front structure, while the side is already largely covered. Overall, the stadium is now progressing across all corners, with different elements coming together and the project clearly entering a faster phase. Here in the diamond of the stadium, things are moving again after a pause. A crane is active inside, and workers are handling the remaining interior tasks, making progress on the glass frames and chrome details. Above, multiple teams are busy with lifts and supports, while concrete work on the upper pillars is slowly advancing. It's impressive to see even this previously quiet zone now coming alive, showing that every corner of the stadium is progressing. This update perfectly highlights how the Camp Nou transformation continues steadily, corner by corner. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest Camp Nou progress. See you in the next video.